So here we are, new longboat's coming on quite nicely. Nearly finished. We're just starting today to put some protective coating onto the wood, which as you know is Iroko. So we generally use a product called Burgess Wood Sealer, which is a hydrosol. It's easy to put on, it's easy to use. This is the stuff that we use. If it does by any chance happen to fall onto the GRP, then you can just wipe it off with a cloth or a bit of kitchen roll, whatever you have to hand. Easy to put on, just use a cloth and you just wipe it. And it's as simple as that. So already I've put 3 coats on the gunnels and it's dried already in an hour. It's nice and dry. So we'll keep going and we'll get it finished before lunchtime.